Hello students, good morning. Subject Honeydew Standard 8. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने चैप्टर 1 द बेस्ट क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड किया था. सेकंड पेज से बाकी था. हैंस वॉल्फ हैड लर्न इंग्लिश, सो आंसर आएगा बाय रीडिंग इंग्लिश बुक्स. गोल पोस्ट फॉर फुटबॉल वेर मेड बाय peeling great coats. What was the suggestions of Hans Wolf for avoiding war? By playing football match. In the game of football, blank won. Fritz. Why did the narrator go to Bridport to deliver the letter to Connie Macpherson? Connie Macpherson's house was burned because of the candles that she used for light in place of electricity. When the narrator went to see Connie Macpherson in the nursing home, she took him to be her husband Jim Macpherson. So answer A, B, 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 C, C and last में B. Done? Now next, read the following passages carefully and answer the questions given below them. Dorset, he smiled. I know this place. I know it very well. We shared my rum ration and his excellent sauces, and we talked, Connie. How we talked. He spoke almost perfect English, but it turned out that he had never set foot in Dorset, never ever been to England. He had learned all he knew of England from school and from reading books in English. His favorite writer was Thomas Hardy. His favorite book for Bathsheba and Gabriel Oak and Sergeant Troy and Dorset. He had a wife, handles of the khaki and grey everywhere, all over no man's land, smoking, laughing, talking, drinking, eating. Hans Wolf and I said, what was left of your wonderful Christmas cake, Connie? He thought the Magipon was the best he had ever tasted. I agree. We agree about everything, and he was my enemy. There never was a Christmas party like it, Connie. So first का आंसर क्या होगा? How did they celebrate Christmas? Christmas कैसे celebrate कर रहे? They celebrated with rum rations and exchanging sources. They celebrated with rum rations and exchanging sources. Where did they celebrate Christmas? They celebrated Christmas on no man's land. What was the topic of talks between Jim and Hans Wolf? The characters of the novel, far from the madding crowd by Thomas Hardy, was the topic of talks between Jim and Hans Wolf. Last, what did Jim said with Hans? Jim said with Christmas cake prepared by him with Connie with Hans Wolf. Okay. Next, paragraph. I folded the letter against and slipped it carefully back into its envelope. I kept awake all night. By morning, I knew what I had to do. I drove into Bridport, just a few miles away. I asked a boy walking his dog where Copper Beach was. House number 12 turned out to be nothing but a burnt-out cell. The roof gaping, the windows boarded up. I knocked at the house next door and asked if anyone knew the whereabouts of Mrs. Macpherson's. "Oh, yes," said the old man in his slippers. He knew her well, was entitled to be a lovely old lady, he told me, a bit middle-headed, but at her age she been in the house was entitled to be, wasn't she? 100 old. She had been in the house when it caught fire. No one really knew how the fire had started, but it could well have been candles. She used candles rather than electricity because she always thought electricity was too expensive. The fireman had got her out just in time. She was in the nursing home now. He told me, Burlington House on the Dorchester's Road on the other side of town. First question. I knew what I had to do. What had the narrator to do? The narrator had to find out the whereabouts of Connie Macpherson and deliver the letter to her. In what conditions was the house found by the narrator? When the narrator reached the house number 12, he found that it had turned out to be nothing but a burnt out cell. The roof gaping and the windows boarded up. Okay, now next. What do you understand by the word muddle-headed in reference to Connie Macpherson? Here the word muddle-headed in reference to Connie Macpherson indicates that she was not in stable state of mind. Next, why did Connie Macpherson use candles in place of electricity? Connie Macpherson used candles in place of electricity as she thought that electricity was rather too expensive. देखो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बचाने के लिए कैंडल से काम कर रहे थे और हम जहाँ देखिए वहाँ लाइट फैन ऑन रखते हैं. स्विच ऑफ करो सबकी, स्विच बंद करो. ये पेज सॉल्व हो गया था. यहाँ से बाकी है वोकेबलरी से सेकंड से, राइट. I think that it what every soldiers want on both sides. Hence Wolf said, "Take care, Jim McPherson's. I shall never forget this moment, nor you." He saluted and walked away from me slowly. Unwillingly, I felt he turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey coats men drifting back towards their trench. देख लो आंसर. Clear? Now next. Replace the underlined words selecting the most appropriate options from the brackets and rewrite the sentence. First, I eased out the parking lot because it was the adjacent to very busy street. तो इसमें क्या करेगी, जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड है ये ब्रैकेट में जो वर्ड उसके ऊपर शुरू होता है उसको यहाँ पे रखना है. ओके, तो देखते हैं. आई मूव आउट, क्या लिखा हमने, मूव आउट ऑफ द पार्किंग लॉट केयर फुल्ली बिकॉज इट वॉज द एडजेंट टू वेरी बिजी स्ट्रीट. ओके, सिर्फ इसकी जगह पे हमने मूव आउट रखा है. सेकंड, drunk abuse takes quite a toll on the lives of people. Same. Drunk abuse, इसमें हमने क्या यूज किया है, causes a great damage on the lives of people. We could have beaten them in last week's game, but they just got the better of us from the start. We could have beaten them in last week's game, but they just got control over us from the start. देखो ये यूज किया, got control over. I thought the meeting turned out really well. I thought the meeting ended up really well. When they reached mid-sea, their supplies ran out. When they reached mid-sea, their suppliers got exhausted. ये आएगा. Grammar. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verbs given in the brackets and complete the texts. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers the winner had lifted. Almost everywhere it looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. The last drawer was drawer first. We were all standing two in our trenches yesterday morning, Christmas morning. It was crisp and quite all about as beautiful a morning as I have ever seen, as cold and frosty as a Christmas morning should be. Next, change the voice of the following. I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. One had been wanted by me, but they were far too expensive. One had been wanted by me, but they were far too expensive. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawer. The roll top was removed completely and the drawers were pulled out by me. Clear? One of the Germans was waving a bottle above his head. A bottle was being waved by one of the Germans about his head. What are we waiting for? What is being waited for by us? क्वेश्चन मार्क क्या है? क्वेश्चन है. I shall never forget this moment. This moment will exchange by us for a while. Okay? ये बाद में नेक्स्ट में करेंगे. Rewrite as directed. This one was in bad condition. This one टर्न इंटू नेगेटिव में करना है. बराबर. दिस वन वॉज नॉट इन अ बैड कंडीशन. यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में दिया है इंटू नेगेटिव बनाना है, तो हमें क्या दिया है? पॉजिटिव दिया है. दिस वन वॉज इन अ बैड कंडीशन, तो हमें क्या करना है? दिस वन वॉज नॉट इन अ गुड कंडीशन. इट वुड बी रिस्क अ चैलेंज बट आई हैड टू हैव इट. क्या करना है? यूज थॉट. सो थॉट it would be a risk, a challenge, I had to have it. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. Used not only but also. Not only fire but also water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. It was a beautiful a morning as I have ever seen. Change the degree. I have never seen more beautiful a morning than it was. What are we waiting for? We are waiting for nothing. We are waiting for nothing. There never was a Christmas party like it, Connie. It was an unprecedented Christmas party. He saluted and walked away from me slowly. Saluting me, he walked away from me slowly. Clear?